There been said that now or Friday now call court now. Yeah, reminding the 2 weeks now. I mean, he showed all signs that he was feeling very okay. And was even doing when you were here, say we are moving forward. What's now maybe I would did judge at him? What? Ebia Duncan William, I would in at him or sorry. Judge not them or call Duncan William, sorry. What did in the software time, my software not bad in a pulpit so? Abodia, every aka tongues. I'm 72 hours, set tongues now, I can move them.
Nana Yaa Brefo, Brahana Menkayo. Yet Krum ha, ena Kevin Taylor. Obeka chere wo Nana Yaa Brefo is an inua be ma penyin no. Efre Italian money boss. Yet Krum ha ya. Obeka wa wo dia say ya wuntimi nwo a. Edi betwa wo mpoa ne kwase asem bibire obeka chere wo. Wa furu ni kom ene ne obedi enti. Wusuro weje no ato because who can Ibrahim am wo ma sika ni bi ni nti wo de beto ho na mmom no wa ba NPP for so abekan asem boa de ba asem na abronya aka che Duncan Williams a Kevin Taylor won kan bi da judge fo atem ben na kurom ha ye di a Kevin Taylor woni bi da ye bedi judges atem ye bedi asofo atem Kevin Taylor ene kofa baaye wodidi judges atem enso judges for do so krobo o ma giminti no mo adwene ni fie no obaaye no mo so wonye ehwe wonko Duncan Williams na wo ka se ana abronye didi na temti na judge ne ye ne sa no jimi musua de musua ne ye Duncan Williams no wono Kevin Taylor ni di na tem se ne am robbery oso wo ye no ani se twitwa ne onya ye onkeka ni nyina ngire no ade no no de odi Duncan Williams atem na okọ judges no wa judges so wadu o matem no mu ja ne se wonko se wo se anu ti ne echi abronye dia mukọ school munsua de hwe ni mu adwene mu jimi nko awo se wo mpa won asem na wantena oba bi na ado nkwase asem ba eni Dr. Bawomi abefa na wurawura mu ni MPP mpanyifo abefa o ma wurawura mu no ewrei obi azuma obi ade onkan ye nyina yeti krom ha ye nim ni akoso eno hu mu aye ne yeyi obi ntimi nka nkere obi de onye mi obi ntimi nkere me de menye because yeti krom ha ye hu Kevin Taylor brabo oboye ye hu oba ye judges nkwase afoje omuja no kan no na mbe kase na abronya ye na judges odidi Duncan Williams kwase ya wo de wo kuna nwene nkrani no ye de no ojawo so one for would see me antana baby so when akwa surrogate say hwan yenya otwe ba bi ato na so a enye di ne fa nkwase asembra ba beto ye ha abuafuna aye oketrem abutu se ne de wo kasa so aketrem asen abutu ukọ hwini ni utreta wo jimi ye wo so na kwa face wo Kevin nkrofo Captain Smarto say hwan kokọ face no na fa nkwase asem so ho o jimi fo dwan wo de monfa monkwase asem amonfa mra wotu a wo kasa wo ye wanim tantan foroko wo hima wo ye ja ada romantina wo ne ye beka say wo ho ye wo hima wo ye ja na ne social media yisu nyina wo ye oba ne ho tan etina wo ebe me ya hwe wanim kwase aba wo de fa wo jimi bra ba beto ye ha buafunu
tezezi afia abaga na ene say obia ebobodam a ode Dr. Bawomi ene sha asie oye journalist oye tifas one no kwatena TV so no keka nkwase asem oye politicians so ahomane torch a no keka nkwase asem obi nso ti nye okọ hospital ekoye ni tirimu surgery na surgery na ntimi anto ato ahomane nyina nwi a osore pe no de doctor esina no obi nso ne yere anya ni amana anya ni suluta ode doctor ene ode ehye ne bufu ano hey momra me bom lagate me down na timo efi mani so doctor oye otuntakrache into obia any esano jimifuo nyina any esa doctor ya be yenya anwa yenya kokono yenya eja yenya nsa yenya abankwan edi ewo ne so wo Brian de wo ye de echampo ye twa edigu enna so ye do ye ba betu aba ena wo kokko ye wo kokoto state properties ye kemu ye do ko national security ena ko fa ashawo ni ena wo de ne koma kandapa mo setting way app no cha ne video papa panimu no danda ne ho video mu wo ka sesa ne ma wo ye nyina ama NPP anye unpopular na enti wo ye ka obi o ha party na wo 20% so bo ye de bow why you wa fun se hwe ya tena so wate wa so asisi nchenchen wo di cha si di nchenchen
Cabron's line of work or yes is all against Canada Japan because he's
against NDC against Canada Japan.
It's against Canada Japan and then it started here.
Okay.
That is how the whole thing started. Because there was none in Tokwaba or Mkotna Africa. Kennedy to a swan, a bronya say, I can't be now best any Mati kura. Martin can sing.
Aha, it's unity. And I remember that
course.
one.
Yeah. If you and let me say, he can Japan. And he's going on the store saying, sir, what's in some question? No. See, our crowd sending a video of Obi Odin at 10 man crowd hand because he wants to foster unity.
Yeah.
Which is the right way to go. Fostering unity. I mean, at the Canadian Japan, we know. Oh, they slow down. He will give you slow down. Or say,
and I'm okay. Mahama, any NDC about were not the target of Abronya. The agenda was Canadian Japan. I say, Mahama Mwafra.
And what the IGP Abe what His Excellency John Mahama Abe that was not his target. The target or the yes and the TV say yeah. Because wound to me or wound to me station maybe or Kasa or wa. A bedroom hono. Now wound to me station for no so blacklist na ebeka. So therefore, then you would have to create your own TV or your own channel to be able to speak against whoever you want to speak to without necessarily going through a known radio station, known to be a political radio station. ABS say binti ebeti me the problem about to create me against Canada Japan. That is what is happening. And I know they didn't want the IGP ababe remwa. And they can say IGP so feel say wakeke be atren. In fact, it's not just he labeled IGP as corrupt. Muna moya lawyer for. And so now did you know in the conversation Olebuno
one evidence be a man when he said the IGP was corrupt.
There be evidence be any so evidence because omukọ akwatiano. What rem so omukọ akwatiano NDC meeting be a omuye be na IGP timbi. Na IGP on who so NDC communicator and no crowd there no asem kekani bi. But if you claim say obi a corrupt there, you need to prove it.
Exactly.
Oh, you need to prove it. And in some of the only attempt did you on the Canadian in himself. Obia did your campaign. Abagana me on Saturday did you and criminal. Who a problem to me see in the civil. No more common think any assembly anyhow. And now more making it looking like it's okay. Who did you attempt? Yeah, more being kasa. Uko kasa ni ato. Uko kasa ni ato. Ye enya de mono. We will not encourage that kind of attitude. Say and twaso. And 2 years and 20 years because of what Kasai. Nakasa ne one thing. If you have no me and near day, yes, very agree. But you agree with insult.
Yeah. Say, I am here to be a match. It
will not make sense.
Because we have never insulted anybody. At all.
We can speak about issues. Insult issues. But not the personality.
Exactly.
For Christ's sake. I'm one of those who felt that Dampari at a point became like a celebrity, like police celebrity. No, I'm not watching what Tom Pabuano, yes, no, was no stop a car, no directed traffic, like I felt massa. Oh, yeah, no, I said, only celebrities, no, I mean, so at a point I felt no.
It was attention seeking IGP, all attention was on him.
But that doesn't warrant. If you have your issues with him, you can go about talking about the issue and not actually go insulting them. Because you think, sir, Obiakwa Akotia, Akokasa minority leader, or mayor by election, I want the constituency, would be the anti-ubedi. Because Nipana Yantias Waka. Now, yeah, Tia Bronyenti, and now say, yeah, Tia Fufronti, Ubedi in attempt. No, that's not right. Because you're not to Ghana, what happens? So what by well to me? Who power will be
why I was always going to say, won't tell you about
BBS, I'll go see and to me, no, actually, the bay. And that is what, so why are you crying? You just left power. Things you've seen before is what is happening. So why are you shouting? What is they crying about? I think all of us should come together and say this is wrong. Moving forward, we should stop this, go about things this way.
That me person explain issues. You also going forward, no. I see any I said this is wrong. I brought you the end wrong. Oh, good. Okay.
Kasa bronya kaya kasa papa kasa fi. Ubetimi akyerɛ what dream without necessarily insulting the person. Na sɛ bibi saa and it's all connected to the fact and nkɔfoɔ kasa atɛmdidie na dɔɔso. And he's arrested for that. Now we a flag bearer, now former flag bearer, nebia, wouldn't will fear. People will assume that you probably endorse that kind of talking.
Yeah, exactly.
You yourself, you are not like that. Oh. One kasa one who brasi abroso. I told you
It's about me. No, yeah, no, because she a blogger, it was wrong.
Absolutely. It doesn't take you to do that. You can call the guy. Ubetimi a friend, but you could let the others.
It could have been off camera, behind the scenes. That to openly do that was an endorsement of insults.
Yes, meanwhile, Ebia a brand head were near them. But on the platform, and now almost trained for that.